How to prepare for CLAT 2023 because CBSE has cancelled 10th board exams. I know a lot of you have this question that how to prepare for CLAT 2023. This is a masterclass for CLAT 2023, so you should watch the entire class. Do not miss anything. This is a very important class. I'm going to give you a full plan for 2 years. 2 years ka plan pura we are going to discuss. Right, next we are going to talk about the mistakes that students commit and you should avoid. We are going to talk about the mistakes that candidates commit and they are not able to get a seat in an NLU, but you are not going to commit those mistakes because I'm going to tell you the solutions in this very video. Next is it the right time to prepare? I'm going to tell you why it is the right time to start right now. Okay, chalo, let's get into this video. And yeah, guys, welcome to Loggery. I hope you're subscribed to Loggery's YouTube channel and hit that bell notification on so that you do not miss any of our videos. And I hope you're following us on Instagram. We're there by the name at I am Loggery. We do pretty motivational stuff out there if you want to stay happy, if you want to stay motivated, and if you want to stay connected a little more with Loggery, then do follow us on Instagram. Before we begin with the video, I want to tell you that I have created a guide for you because after watching this video, you'll be like, oh, I know what I have to do. And then you'll be confused that what should I do first? What should I do second? So what you need to do is you have to go to my blog, that is www.loggery.com/clat2023/. When you do this, you are going to find a blog post that is going to help you, that is going to act as a guide. But please watch this video. Do not miss out on this video because I've explained everything. There I have not explained anything. There you just find the pointers. Step 1 is to know about CLAT. You know, one of the biggest mistakes that students commit is that they're preparing for the exam. They pick up the book and start studying, but they never look at what is the exam, what is the syllabus, how many subjects are there, what is the marks distribution, right? How we need to prepare each subject. We're going to talk about everything. So what is CLAT? CLAT is Common Law Admission Test. The full form is Common Law Admission Test. And what will happen if I clear CLAT? This is another question that I want you to ask me, that what will happen if I clear CLAT? You will become a lawyer. You will become a lawyer, number one, but that you will become if you do LLB, BLLB, BCom LLB from any XYZ college. What will happen if you clear CLAT is you will get into a good NLU, right? So what will happen is you will get best opportunities in every field of law. You will get best opportunities. You will get best opportunities in every field of law. What happens is when you get into a college which is not that good, a lot of opportunities, a lot of doors are closed. Why? Because there are no opportunities in those colleges. For example, there are no placements, right? What are you left with? Either you have to give some government exam like that of UPSC, judiciary, or any other, or you have to join litigation. If you want that everything should be great about your career, then you need to get into a good NLU. Right now, you will come out as an evolved human. We know that हम जिनके साथ बैठते हैं, जैसे लोगों के साथ उठते बैठते हैं, the type of people that we talk to and we make friends with, that we are surrounded by, we become like them. We know that, right? So in these colleges, you will find intellectual students, you will find law students who are passionate about law, who have dreams. You cannot even think about those dreams and goals. Then you also get to know about those opportunities. So yeah, you will come out as an evolved human, right? Now you may ask, why not getting admission in a private college is a better option, because I do not have to give an exam. Look, let me tell you, there are good private colleges also. Let me tell you one thing, if you get into a good private college like that of Symbiosis, Narsi, it is good to go. But again, you cannot compare them to top 5, 7, 8 NLUs. But after that, if you are not getting into a top-notch private college, then if you're getting into a local private college, it is of no use. You'll be investing money and wasting it. So if you are planning to get into a local college, then that is of no use. Prepare for this exam. You can crack it. You have good number of days, years, months to work hard, to work smart. I'm going to tell you how you have to work so that you are able to clear this exam, okay? What will I have to do to clear CLAT, you might ask? If you are asking this, then it is a great question. Kya, what you have to do? You have to study, but not only studying, not only hard work. It is smart study plus hard work. Smart study plus hard work is what it takes to clear CLAT. And what do we mean by smart study? Gathering the right information related to the syllabus, the books, how we have to study each subject, what are the things that you need to do daily, how to plan, everything if you know about and you take action. Taking action is hard work. Studying is hard work, but gathering the information is smart study. Creating a strategy is smart study, and that is what we're going to create in this video. Step 2 is to know the paper. We know about CLAT now, but we have to go in a little more detail and we need to know about the paper, the syllabus of CLAT. Go through the previous year question paper of CLAT, link is in the description box, and also take out the printout. You will find CLAT 2020 question paper plus the sample papers that were provided by CLAT sample paper of 2020 and CLAT 2020 paper. Now, I need to tell you one thing, that CLAT changed its syllabus in 2020. Till 2019, the pattern was something else, not the syllabus. The syllabus stayed somewhat the same, but the pattern was changed. Now, there are passages and followed by questions. So please have a look at the previous year question paper so that you have an idea that what you are preparing for. You'll find the link in the description box, and also take a printout of the same. You need to have the printout so that you can have a look every time you're confused that should you study this topic or not, how you should study. When you have a look at the question paper, you will get an idea, right? Syllabus of CLAT. I know it is very difficult for you to analyze the paper for the first time by yourself because you do not know about the topics right now, everything, but I have done that. You have to watch this video, that is syllabus for CLAT. I have done a detailed analysis, and this analysis is going to work for you also who are preparing for 2023, right? Always there are going to be updated videos. I'll keep you posted for that. Subscribe to Loggery, please, right? So syllabus of CLAT is something that you need to know, and you have to note down the entire syllabus. What you're going to do is write down syllabus of CLAT and then subject legal aptitude, so and so topics, torch, contract, this I have to do, step 1 is this, step 2 is this, step 3 is this. You have to write that. I'll leave the link to that video in the description box. Have a look at that video. That is very important. Detailed analysis of CLAT I have done in that, not only of the CLAT 2020 paper but also of the other guidelines that have been given by CLAT, right? Decide the books that you have to that you are going to study from. Again, I have done a complete video. There is a video and there is a list. There is a list, right? And wherever I have given you options, I've written optional. I've written, okay, if you're buying this book, then you have to do this. If you're buying this, then this. If you're buying this, then you don't need to buy this. I've done everything for you. Please watch the video, because in the video you're going to get to know how to study. In the video you're going to get to know how to study, whereas in the list you're going to get direct links and every other information that you need. Like if you want a list, then that is there in the blog. Again, the link will be in the description box, and also in the guide that I have provided. That is going to help you a lot. Bookmark that guide, okay? Let's see the pattern of CLAT. It is very important to know. Maximum marks is 150. Duration of the exam is 2 hours. Multiple choice questions are going to be there. 150 questions of 1 mark each. There is negative marking. Negative marking means if you attempt a wrong answer, your marks are going to be deducted, right? 0.25 marks for each wrong answer. Subjects, let's have a look at the subjects. We have English language, we have current affairs, general knowledge, right? We have legal reasoning, we have logical reasoning, quantitative techniques. So let me tell you, in your English language, reading comprehension is which is very important. Reading comprehension, grammar and everything, right? In detail I have discussed in the syllabus wala video. Please have a look. Current affairs, look guys, you have to read newspaper. Newspaper is the thing. Newspaper is the thing, right? Next is legal reasoning. This is law subject. Logical reasoning is logical reasoning, puzzles plus critical reasoning. There's a subject called critical reasoning. Critical reasoning, okay? Quantitative techniques is your maths plus data interpretation. Maths plus data interpretation. You need to know, right? Seeing the number of questions, 28 to 32 from English, 35 to 39 from current affairs, legal reasoning 35 to 39, 28 to 32 from logical reasoning, quantitative aptitude 13 to 17. You should know the marks distribution, very important. Okay, eligibility criteria, let's have a look quickly. You need to, in your 12th class, 45% marks or its equivalent grade in case of candidates belonging to general, OBC, PWD, NRI, PIO, OCI, 40% in case you're a SC or ST candidate, right? You need to know. And also one more thing, people have this question, when you are going to give your 12th boards, when you're going to give your 12 boards in 2023, that very year you can apply, even though you have to give your boards, you have not given your boards, but that very year you can apply, because in that year itself you're going to get your results. By the time your CLAT admissions take place, your result is going to be in your hands, so you can give the exam. Okay, step 3, how to plan the same. प्लान कैसे करें, स्केड्यूल कैसे बनाएं, उसके लिए अगेन आई हैव टू एक्सप्लेन थिंग्स इन डिटेल. आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन थिंग्स in detail now. Please pay attention. Now, if you're watching this video, I think this video should go up by 15th April, like 15th April to 31st December. 15th April to 31st December 2021 is the year. You have April, half of April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. 9 months we have here. And in these 9 months, you have your 11th class. No boards, no boards, no tension. No boards, no tension, right? No boards, no tension. I know your 10th exams have got cancelled, but 12th have got postponed. They are going to happen. So 12th never get postponed. Sorry, never get cancelled. They get postponed, but they will not get cancelled. So you have to give those. Right? Now these 9 months, if you focus on CLAT and complete the syllabus, because you're tension free from your, there are no boards, there are nothing. So these 9 months you have to focus on CLAT. And what should be your aim? What should be your mission? Completing the entire syllabus yourself. You'll say, why? I have so many months. I have January 2022 to December 2021. Here, when April 2022 begins, your 12th class boards tension, right? You are in 12th, that board anxiety is going to be there, right? Okay, fine, you're cool, chill. By the time August or September is there, you are going to be in that board situation wherein you have to study for the boards, pre-boards, all that thing, practicals and everything. So can I say that till like March 2022, I am, if I have a good chill time, like, and if I make good use of it, I'll be in a really good position to clear CLAT? Can I say that? Are you understanding what I am trying to say here? That बच्चे 2022 के अंदर तो 12th boards, यहाँ पे जो ये boards हैं ये बहुत तंग करते हैं, ये tension देते हैं, worrisome, they are all worrisome, right? Then comes your January 2023 to June 2023 ka time. Your time comes, right? Here so you have in January 2022 you have your pre-boards, then in Feb you have your boards, right? I'm sorry, in March you have your boards, in Feb you have your preparatory holidays, right? If times are good, I think COVID is going to go by then, like January, February, March. Then in April and normally May, June the exam takes place. You have just 1 month or 15 days or 2 months, not even 2 months, like normally it is 1 month or 1.5 months that you get before CLAT. 1 month or 1.5 months before CLAT, and in May or June your exam is going to happen. You just get time to revise here you just get time to revise and read newspaper, nothing else. This month is like very, वो यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं हो सकता, राइट? ये तो क्रॉस आउट है. यहाँ पे जो बच्चे करते हैं ना प्रिपरेशन, उनको मैं बोलती हूँ बच्चे डिसाइड बिटवीन क्लैट एंड 12th. यू हैव टू चूज बिटवीन बोर्ड्स एंड क्लैट, एंड दे से हमें 12 बोर्ड्स में तो अच्छे मार्क्स लेकर आने, बिकॉज सोसाइटी, बिकॉज पीपल कम एंड आस्क कितने आए. अगर कम आए तो बहुत ज़्यादा बेइज्जती होती है, इट इज़ एन इंसल्ट. सो this is the time. Don't you see this is the best time. This is the best time to prepare for CLAT. And if you complete your syllabus now in 2021, you will be a boss. You'll be doing well in your 12th boards, as well as you'll be getting a seat in CLAT. What else do you want? तो हमने क्या aim करना है कि अप्रैल 2021 में अगर हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं तो बाय दिसंबर 2021 तो सिलेबस कंप्लीट होना ही चाहिए। दिसंबर 2021 तक तो 101% सिलेबस कंप्लीट चाहिए मुझे। सिलेबस कंप्लीट चाहिए। आई वॉन्ट योर सिलेबस शुड बी कंप्लीट फॉर श्योर बाय दिसंबर 2021, बट you should aim that you are able to complete your syllabus by July or August 2021. You should aim for this, right? It completely, I understand it depends on the time that you are able to take out for CLAT preparation every day, whether you are able to study for 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, कितना टाइम दे पा रहे हो तुम, कितना टाइम तुम निकाल पा रहे हो अपने हर रोज के दिन में से CLAT preparation के लिए, उसके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है। But 2021 में we are completing the syllabus. That's our aim. Cheat code is that completing the syllabus ASP in 11th class. If you do that, you're going to be a boss. You'll be tension free for your 12th class. You'll be tension free. You won't have any worry because you'll be able to create a balance. I always say that when you're preparing for CLAT and you have a 12th board exams, you have to row two boats together. आपको दो boats इकट्ठे चलानी है. You have to row two boats together, and the best way to row two boats together is to plan, right? So now I'm going to tell you how to study for CLAT. I'm going to tell you how to study for every topic that you're going to cover, so that once you read a topic you are done. Once you read a topic you are done. Step one is obviously it is to understand theory plus mark. When you say you have XYZ topic, any topic, right, then what you're doing to do, step one should be to understand theory. Theory को समझो, you have to understand theory, plus you have to mark. It is very important to mark because we are able to remember a thing when we revise. When we revise, life would have been really easy if we would have studied one thing at one time and then we would have remembered it for life, but that is not like it happens. You need to revise again and again, right? Then only you are able to remember. So first reading, when you're giving this first reading, your first step is first reading. When you're giving your first reading, you have to understand the theory and you have to mark the important pointers, so that when you have to revise the next time you pick up the same topic, you pick up XYZ, you don't have to read it in entirety. आपको सारा का सारा ना पढ़ना पड़े. You just read what you have marked and you're done. Your topic is revised, right? For quick revision we need to mark. For quick revision you need to mark. You don't require to make notes for everything because that is going to take time. You just need to mark in your book and write down in short notes बना लो, so that you are able to revise. समझ में आ गया? Your step 2 is to solve questions plus mark wrong and difficult questions. Look, one mistake that students commit is that they just read the theory and they say done. They just read the theory, they just do this step 1 kiya, and they say my topic is done, ask me whatever you want to ask. Well, your topic is not done yet, because but it is important that you also do the step 2, that is attempt questions, practice questions, plus mark the questions that you have attempted wrong. Plus, if you think that there is this question which is difficult, put a star. For difficult questions, say you put a green mark. For a green star. For a wrong question you put a red mark. Anything of that sort, right? Why? So that when we say that you have to revise, you read the theory quickly, वो हमारी mark हो रखी है, we have marked that. When I say you have to revise, you have to not only revise theory, but you have to also practice questions, and you will practice which questions? The questions that were wrong or you felt were difficult, and your topic is revised, right? Step 3 is obviously on weekends. This is what is happening on weekdays. This is what is happening on weekdays. On weekends you're going to test yourself. Now you'll ask, from where should I bring these tests? Online, so many tests are available. Or on random, say you'll solve all the even questions in this exercise, or you can get online or from that very book solve any random question. Test yourself, plus revise. On weekends you are going to revise the thing that you have marked, plus practice. This is very important. This is very important. If you do not revise and you keep on doing new topics, it is of no use. कोई फायदा नहीं होगा अगर नए topics करते रहोगे, पुरानों को revise नहीं करोगे बच्चों. You have to revise. And when you do this, then we can say that your topic is complete. When you do this, we can say that your topic is complete. How to plan? हमने पढ़ लिया. We have seen that how you have to study, how to plan. You need to decide the books that you're going to study from. Please guys, do not change your books. And universals is or Arihant, you know those compendiums, universals, Arihant, or any other for that matter. You cannot study from one book and clear CLAT. That is the sad story about CLAT, but that is the true story. The book list I have given you, you have to go through it. And once you've decided that I'm going to study from this book, please study from that book. Do not change your books every day. Decide for once and all that you're going to study from this book and study from that book. Right? Once you've decided it, next is to see how much time you can give to CLAT prep every day. One thing that you have to see is books kaun se mein se padna hai, from where you have to study. What is your study resource? Next is how much time you can give to CLAT every day. That also you need to decide. And minimum you have to give 2 to 3 hours. Minimum of 2 to 3 hours is what you need to give. This is minimum, right? Because I am assuming that 45 minutes to 1 hour is what it takes to read the newspaper, right? And in the leftover time, you're at least going to cover one topic a day. This is minimum. Look, if you're thinking that you'll study for CLAT once in a week and then you're going to forget CLAT and CLAT is going to get cleared, then you're wrong. You're mistaken. You have to study every day. Little by little, you're going to achieve your goals, my kids. You are not going to do this that one fine day you sit and study for CLAT and for other days you forget about CLAT. No, that's not how it is going to take place. So you're going to decide that how much time you can take out for CLAT, right? School jana hai, you have to go to the school, you have your tuitions, whatever. You have to take out time for self-study. You have to take out time for self-study and watch my video wherein I have discussed that should you go for coaching or not. Therein I am helping you decide that should you take coaching or not, right? Watch that video for sure. Link will be in the description box below. Next is weekends. On weekends, this is, I am putting a star here. On weekends, you're going to read a newspaper. You're reading newspaper for sure. Revising weekday topics. Jo topics you have done during your weekday. You're going to revise the topics that you've covered during the week, right? That is what you're going to do. And test plus new topic, you're going to test and new topics. Humne kya tha? Step 3 in the previous slide, right? You're going to test yourself. On weekends, you are going to test, revise plus cover new topics. On weekends, you're not going to give 3 hours. On weekends, you're going to give 5 to 6 hours, right? Because it is a holiday. I assume on Sunday you have a holiday, or Saturday also if you have a holiday, that is a great thing. And during vacations, you're going to have summer vacations, winter vacations, and there are holidays that are there. On your vacations, you're going to give 5 to 6 hours a day. Per day you're going to give, because what is our aim? To complete the syllabus. What is our aim? To complete the syllabus. And to achieve that aim, we cannot say that har roz 2 ghanta bas, but because the day you can give more time, give. The day you can give more time, because as quickly as you complete the syllabus, you can slow down a bit after that. मुझे पता है मैं कह रही हूँ जल्दी जल्दी करो, but as and when you complete the syllabus, you can slow down a bit. But if you start slowly, that is not going to be beneficial, my kids. You have to complete the syllabus quickly, because then boards are going to come. They're sitting on our head, right? Pick up your books and plan. You know what? We have to make a workable schedule. A schedule that we follow. What? A schedule that you follow. Practical, workable. How to make a workable schedule? हमें कौन सा schedule बनाना है जो हम follow कर सकें. ये नहीं हो कि हमने एक sheet ली, उसके ऊपर schedule लिखा और वो कभी follow नहीं किया. We should not make a schedule that we are not going to follow. It is of no use. It is just wastage of time, right? So what you need to do? You have decided that from where you're going to cover your syllabus. Study material is decided. आपने decide कर लिया कौन सी books में से आप पढ़ोगे. Pick up those books. Pick up those books and plan. Then plan. You should know that this topic that you're going to cover, what you need then. You need your syllabus. You need your syllabus. You need your books. You need your books. Time, you have decided that how much time you're going to give every day. If you can keep a calendar with you, that would be another good thing. From calendar you can see that, okay, this day is a holiday, I can cover this, I can cover this, right? That can be a bonus thing. But you're going to keep your syllabus. Handwritten syllabus should be with everyone, with everyone. Books should be decided, and time you should have decided. Thereafter you're going to keep your books, your syllabus, your notebook, wherein you're going to plan everything. And you're going to plan what? You're going to plan your yearly, monthly, weekly, daily. You're going to have a yearly, monthly, weekly plan. Very important. And you might say, what are these plans? How will I do this? I've never done so much of planning. You will have to do it, and I'll make you do it. Wait, I'm going to tell you. What are you going to do is, in your yearly plan, you are going to, when will my syllabus be complete? Questions like these. You're going to decide, okay, by August 2021, by July 2021, because I have June, there are my summer vacations, I'm going to complete my syllabus. You need to decide, write down. From April till June, July, I'm going to complete my syllabus. Or in October, I'm going to complete my syllabus. That how you will be able to decide. कैसे डिसाइड करोगे? बोलने से डिसाइड नहीं होगा. Look, if you are going to give 3 hours a day, obviously it is going to take more time to complete your syllabus. But if you are giving more time, then it is going to take less. Very easy, understandable. When will I start with my revision? Again, very important. We are going to revise on weekends, and we are also going to revise entire syllabus, right? When will I start giving my mock tests? What are mock tests? Full length tests. Full length tests are mock tests. और हम second revision कब करेंगे? When I'm going to do my second revision. That is what is your yearly plan. That is what is your yearly plan, and that is how it is going to look. That okay, from April, or whenever you are watching this video, from April till say September, I'm going to complete my syllabus. September 2021, I'm going to complete my syllabus. Right like this, right like this. Okay, after completing my syllabus, October से लेके December तक, I should be able to do some mocks plus my first revision. That way you're going to decide. Don't worry, I'm going to tell you how you have to decide. Just give me a minute, I'm going to tell you. Next is by monthly plan. What do we mean by monthly plan? By monthly plan, we say, by monthly plan is April, I'm going to cover legal aptitude. April, I'm going to cover legal aptitude. In May, I'm going to cover legal aptitude plus English. In June, I'll cover English plus maybe critical reasoning or any other subject, right? So that is what you need to decide when it comes to monthly plan. Which subject in your weekly plan you're going to decide which topic. And then in your daily plan, you're going to decide which page, which book you're going to practice, you're going to read theory, or you're going to revise. That is what you need to decide. Right now, firstly, start with your monthly plan. Okay, I'm going to pick up. Start with your step 1 to do is that you start with your monthly plan. Okay, this subject I'll be picking up number of hours, seeing the pages that are there for the topic, and thereafter you will be able to arrive कि यार मेरा यहाँ तक ये होगा, मतलब ये वाले subjects यहाँ तक cover होंगे, और उसके बाद मेरा syllabus जो होगा वो इस time तक complete होगा, right? And also try, whenever you get some extra time, say an hour or 2 hours, try to complete the syllabus ASAP, as fast as possible, guys. It is very important. And also, I've done a detailed video wherein I've talked about how to create a schedule. That video should not be missed. Look, guys, I want to talk to you, and I want to clear one thing for sure. Please, the blog that I have written for you and the links that I have mentioned in that blog, they are very important. Please take out time and watch every video. Please guys, watch each and every video that I have shared on that blog post, because that is going to help you. That is really important, and I cannot tell you everything in one video. I have done deep analysis of everything, right? Frequently asked questions. What are the frequently asked questions? Number 1 is when to start reading newspaper. Look, in your exam, you are going to give CLAT 2023. So your January 2022 to June 2023, till the date of exam, you have to cover your news. So obviously your 2021 ka news is not at all important for you, but need to learn how to read newspaper and make notes. You know what is the problem? Number one problem of CLAT candidates is they do not know how to read newspaper. But you do not need to worry, because number one, I have done 4 videos on how to make notes, how to read newspaper, what to do when it comes to GK for CLAT. You need to watch those videos, make notes, and understand everything. And for 1 whole year, that is from April till December 2021, you're going to practice, you're going to learn how to read newspaper, make mistakes. If with trial and error, you're going to learn, right? You need to know how to know what is important or not. Pick up the newspaper of today and see. You won't be able to get ki kya padhun kya nahi padhun, because for CLAT only some things are important. The entire newspaper is not important. So that you learn when you read a newspaper from now itself. And also, if you read newspaper from now, from today, you will be able to understand news way more better in 2022, because the news is always connected. So reading newspaper from today itself, from the day you're watching this video, and if you are a CLAT aspirant, is very, very important. How to know what is important? Current Affairs magazine. You need to subscribe for one current affairs magazine. It can be GK Today, it can be News and Events, Pratyogita Darpan, any other XYZ current affairs magazine. So you are going to read one current affairs magazine. Why, you may ask? Because from there also you're going to understand, okay, this type of news is important. Okay, in the article, these things are what I need to note. And also you need to analyze the previous year question papers. You need to have a look at all the previous year question papers of CLAT, at least 5, not all zyada ho jayega, at least 5 previous year question papers. Pick them up and see what kind of questions are, what type of questions are asked in GK. You have to do this, and you have the time, you have the luxury to do this, I'm telling you. And reading newspaper, look, anyone who tells you that you don't read newspaper and read this, don't believe that person. You have to read newspaper. Have you seen the pattern of CLAT? There is a passage and then there are questions. You have to develop the habit of reading boring things, and eventually you're going to find them interesting, because you will know about those topics already. So is the right time to start, guys. Any time when you are seeing this video and you have the plan to prepare for CLAT is the right time. Obviously, the earlier the better. The earlier the better. Start, and only aim should be to complete the syllabus, right? And if you, as early as you start, you are going to be the one who is going to be at ease. तुम ही आराम से रहोगे, because then you won't have to decide, should I study for boards, should I study for CLAT, because your CLAT syllabus is done and dusted. Common mistakes that students commit. Number one common mistake is they think that they have a lot of time. You know, they'll call their friend, oh, I saw this video, they're saying that you should start studying from April, May, June 2021. Say, no, I know this person, you know, he studied like this and he got NLU. You don't need to have fun, play video games, do whatever you want to do. No. Please don't believe anyone. Start studying. The earlier you do that, the better. Think that they will start preparation in 12th. 12th May, you will have boards. 12th May, you're going to have your board exams. And it's going to be like this. If this is one board and this is the other, and this is going to be you, and you have to row these boards together, right? And it is very difficult. If you start your preparation in 12th, it is kind of difficult. No doubt students prepare for CLAT in their 12th also, and they clear the exam, have to face a lot of difficulties. For you, it is going to be really easy. Okay, think that they will take a drop. This decision seems to be a very like normal decision. Oh, I'll take a drop and everything, because but you know what, I get to talk to students who have taken a drop, and it is very, very difficult to go through that time wherein you've taken drop, thanks to our society, because they keep on asking, what are you doing, why have you taken a drop, and everything of that sort. There's a lot of burden when you take a drop. It is not an easy choice to take a drop. I've done a complete playlist, I'll leave the link in the description box. If you're thinking about that, then it is a decision that needs to be taken after thinking a lot, right? Next mistake is, without analyzing and understanding the exam, they start preparation. Look, this is not an exam that you cover one book. It is not an exam that you cover one book and you're done. No, you have to do a lot of things. I'm telling you what you have to do, and if you do that, you're going to clear the exam. So it is not about what I am telling. It is also, have a look at the paper. You're going to see that what you have to do, right? Studying books that are not meant for this exam. There's certain books that you need not to buy, like that of Quantitative Aptitude by R.S. Agarwal for maths, right? For example, Tata McGraw-Hill's book, that is M. Lakshmikant for Indian Constitution. Guys, we have less time, and we have to cover more, less time, and we have to cover more and properly. So go for the right kind of books, right? Remember, you have to choose your books really wisely. So if you find that you're getting confused, you do not know which book you have to buy, you can discuss with me either in the comment section, or you can message me on Instagram. I'm there by the name at @IamLoggery, and you can discuss with me. Please do not invest your parents or your hard-earned money in books that are not useful. Please, guys, before buying books, do message me. I'm going to reply. Okay? Because you're hanging with me till the end of this video, I want to tell something. This is another cheat code that I have for you, from where to start. Now let's cover the most important topics first. I will suggest that you cover Indian Constitution first, because Indian Constitution helps you in reading newspaper, right? You will see once you're done with Indian Constitution that it helps you in reading newspapers, right? So you are going to cover Indian Constitution, and then followed by reading comprehension. And also for Indian Constitution, I have a course for you, right? It is a paid course. You can enroll for it. The link will be in the description box below if you want to know more about it, right? Now next is reading comprehension. I have done a video for you how to cover reading comprehension. Very easy. It is a master class that I have taken. It is going to help you a lot, and you can buy the books also that I have suggested, right? The next topic you can cover is torts, criminal law, and contracts. Please watch the video wherein I've talked about how to cover legal aptitude for CLAT. Please watch that video. Link will be in the blog post that I have talked about earlier also. Please, please, please watch that video, because then you're going to understand what is legal aptitude actually, how you have to cover everything. Okay, logical reasoning next, uske baad maths, grammar, your current affairs would go every day. But yes, first of all, do your Indian Constitution, reading comprehension, because that way you are going to cover a lot. So that's it from my side. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, share this video with your friends, subscribe to the channel. Also, please bookmark the blog post that I've talked about in this video. I'll leave the link to it in the description box below. That is going to help you a lot. Whatever are the updates, I'm going to put a link out there so that you do not miss out, right? And also subscribe to the channel. Loggery signing off. I'll see you super soon. Take care, stay safe, and also prepare well. All the very best.